If you want to know the largest street in the Middle East, would you like to get more information about the tourist places of in the north of the Tehran? Please watch this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Let's go to see continue the video.
Hello friends, how are you? I'm Zafaranieh. We're here with a new video about Tehran, a modern market and shopping center in the north of Tehran, Tajrish market. Tajrish Bazaar, which is one of the oldest shopping centers in Shemiran, has no shortage of nostalgia. Tajrish market is approaching spring. The aroma of hyacinths and its fragrance will not allow you to pass by it quickly. Tajrish market, which is a small example of Tehran market, it still retains its old structure. Don't stop that. Tajrish market is one of Tehran's tourist attractions with its history and charm. Vertical Passage. Qayam Passage is a luxurious and old 6-story shopping center in Tajrish, where you can find everything from gold to bags, shoes, and colorful clothes. Qayam Passage is located next to Imamzadeh Saleh and the old market of Tajrish. Tandis Shopping Center. It's true that Tandis Shopping Center doesn't have a history of Qayam Passage in Tajrish, but with famous brands and various stores, it soon became a hangout for fashion and shopping people. Tandis Shopping Center is located in Tajrish Square, Zafaranieh Street. Sam Center. Another luxury shopping center in Tehran is Sam Center, which is located on Fereshteh Street. Despite its luxury brands, this multi-story shopping center is suitable for sightseeing and shopping. Accommodation Shopping Center. Despite the never shopping malls, Iskan is still a shopping hangout for brand lovers. Vanak Shopping Center. There are several arcades on Kar and Tijarat Street located in Vanak Square, the most famous of which is Vanak Shopping Center. In these passages, in addition to several coffee shops and restaurants, you can find all kinds of clothes, jewelry, and small items. Aryan Shopping Center. On Mir Damad Street, Aryan Tower is located, which has a famous restaurant and shopping center. In the luxury stores of Aryan, you can find all kinds of foreign clothing brands. Ark Shopping Center. Tajrish Square is one of the old and nostalgic squares of Tehran, a field that is always crowded and has its own atmosphere. There is a large shopping center near Tajrish Beach where you can find luxury goods. Tajrish Citadel is a complete model of jewelry, perfume, and clothing stores, cosmetic collection, clothing, home appliances, and electronics, recreation and entertainment center. Persian Gulf Conference Hall, services and parking of 5 floors in Tajrish Square.